Hi, so today we are going to design a professional happy birthday flyer using your smartphone. So we are going to use PixelLab App and then Snapseed for uh, design enhancement. So let's get started. I'm going to use a size 1024 by the height, which is 1280. So let me delete this. Let me go to my gallery and then import the background that we will be using. So I will be using this background. I will drop the link on the description menu so that you can actually go and download the background. So here is it. So what I will do now is I will go to color filter, which is this. Then I'm going to adjust this to minus, let's say minus 180. All right, let's say minus 180. And then for the saturation, let me see. Okay, let me make it minus 30 or something like that. Let's say minus 31. All right. And then for the brightness, let's say something like plus. Let me say 16. And then for the contrast, let me leave it at, let's say this 39 is okay. So here we go. I will go and import the image of the celebrant. So this is one of the image that I will be using. Let me just turn it like this. Yeah. So let me increase the relative size here. Increase the relative size. Increase the relative size. Yes, this is a minor picture that we'll be using. So let me go to my gallery and then import the other picture. So here's the other picture that I will be using. Let me cut it. Okay, let's see like this. So I'll increase the relative size. Increase the relative size. I want it to be that big. Okay. Yeah, well, let me leave it like this, and then for this, let me just adjust it to this direction. So for the image, let me go to color filter also, and then edit it a little bit. So let me see. Let me just reduce the saturation. Okay. Let's say brightness reduce. Let me increase the contrast. Let me leave it at 19 or 20. Let me leave it at 20. So for this one too, let me just so let me lock the layers now. Yeah, well, I have locked the layer, so I will go to shape. I will create a gradient shape with a black color. So I know we are familiar with gradient. So let me create this. I'm going to create this. Let me first fix this. Okay. So I'm using black color. So let me just turn it to black. Let me make it black. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'll copy it and then make this one to be here at the inner. Just leave it like this, copy it, leave it like this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I will just write happy birthday. So for this color, I will make it to be a little bit Irish, like this. So I'll go to font, and then I will choose this font. So for those of you who doesn't have the fonts, I will leave the link to download many fonts on the description menu. Let me increase the size. Yeah, this is perfect. So what I will do now is I'll copy it and then write the name of the celebrant, which is Silas. Yeah. So for this, I need a new font. I need another font, which I will also leave it on the description menu. Here is it, Akira. You can see this font is actually long. So what I will do now is I will go to I will go to color, then change the color to this. Maybe I will just decrease this, decrease this, decrease this. Yeah, seems to be perfect. This seems to be perfect, so I will just decrease the size. Yeah, this is good. So now I will create a kind of effect. So in this, I'll create an effect with this. So what I will do, I will go to gradient, pick this, then for this I will turn it to gradient here, and then for the top one I'll just leave it as ET, but let me turn it to, let's say, black color. Let's say black color. Yep. So you can actually see the effect here. Okay. Though it's not clear enough. It's not clear enough. So this is what I'm going to create. This is the effect that I'm seeing. You can see the effect. So now I will go and write the happy birthday wishes. So let's say, let me choose a wish. So let's see. This is the wish. I'll go and change the font to Nota Regular. Sorry. Alright, now I will put the person that do it. Let's see. Okay, I will put this down and make it to this letter. Then I will go to spacing, increase the spacing, and let's say 20. Then I will decrease the color. The size. Then I'll put it to be here. Let me just put it to be here. Yeah. So here we go. I will just amend this. So now what will happen is I will create a kind of shape. Yeah. So in this shape, I will just put a kind of radius to be this. And then for the color, I will choose this color first. Let me decrease the size. So for this color, I will make it to be, let's say, this color, and for this I will make it to be whitish. Yeah, I think we are moving. So I will create another shape. I will create a shape, cycle, reduce the opacity, and I will increase the stroke. Alright, let me put the text here. Let me say leader. So now let me just create a kind of something like, let's say X. So what next now is to go to my gallery and import some. So let me import this. So I will crop some parts here. So here is just how to design a professional birthday flyer using the PixelLab. You can actually go to your smart sheet and then do the editing. So thank you very much for your time. Please, if you find this to be useful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel in order to get updates on how to do your graphic work using PixelLab. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.